I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying a compatible device and a provider hostname because the feature won't appear otherwise. Open Settings and go straight to Network and Internet, then tap Private DNS. Once there, select the Private DNS provider option. Don't choose Off or Automatic yet. Enter the hostname exactly as provided, including any subdomain, because a small typo breaks validation. Make sure you have Wi-Fi or mobile data active, so the test connection can complete when you save. Once done entering the hostname, press Save and let the system validate the TLS handshake. You'll see a brief status change while Android confirms the certificate and DNS over TLS session. If validation succeeds, you're now routing queries through the provider. Make sure to close and reopen commonly used apps to force new DNS lookups. To verify, load a website or check a DNS leak test. If names resolve correctly, you're finished. If not, recheck the hostname and network connectivity. To finalize, reboot the device so all apps adopt the new resolver. This clears cached DNS entries and ensures consistent behavior. If you see failures, toggle Private DNS to automatic and then back to provider, which forces a fresh TLS negotiation. As a key troubleshooting tip, if the hostname repeatedly fails validation, remove it and try a different verified provider or double-check for trailing spaces and correct punctuation, because an invisible character often causes silent validation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.